Hello everyone, today I'll discuss exercise 2.4 question number 3. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following cases. Let us find. Question number 1 is px is equal to x square plus x square plus x plus k. If x minus 1 is a factor, x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial px, factor of polynomial px, then p1 must be 0. Let us find. Question number 1. Px is given as x square plus x plus k. Therefore, getting the value p1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k, that should be equal to 0. Or we are getting 1 plus 1 is 2 plus k is equal to 0, or k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the value of kx, therefore the value of k is minus 2. That is the answer. Let's solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is px equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. Question number 2. If x minus 1 is a factor of px, then p1 must be 0. Then p1 must be 0. Here you see, let us find. Here px is given as 2x square plus kx plus root 2. Therefore, p1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2 plus kx, k into 1, it will be k into 1, 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2 is equal to 0. Or we can find 2 into 1 square is 2 plus k plus root 2 is equal to 0. Or you can find k is equal to minus 2 minus root 2. If we take minus as common, minus, it is 2 plus root 2. Therefore, the value of k is minus 2 plus root 2. Therefore, the value of k is minus 2. Value of k is minus 2 plus root 2. Let's solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is, question number 3 is this one. Question number 3. If x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor of px. Then p1 must be 0. So we are getting px is equal to k x square minus root 2 x plus 1. If we find p1, then we are getting k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 0. Therefore we are getting k minus root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Or you can find the value of k as k is equal to root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. Therefore the value of k is root 2 minus 1. That is the answer. Let's solve question number 4. Question number 4, here you see is, question number 4 is, if x minus 1 is a factor of px, then p1 must be 0. Here px is given as px is equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. You find the value of p1, that is equal to k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore we are getting k minus 3 plus k is equal to 0, or k plus k is 2k minus 3 is equal to 0, or you can find that 2k is equal to 3, or you can find the value of k is equal to 3 by 2. K is equal to 3 by 2. K is equal to 3 by 2. Hence the value of k is, the value of k is 3 by 2. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.